Welcome to video part 9, Document Templates, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. Document templates, located under the main documents menu listing, are ideal for situations where you're completing documents on repeat that contain the exact same or quite similar information. For example, your standard payment terms or any special conditions, where only minimal edits are then required, being the items like your client's details and contract price. This is where the document templates function will save you a great deal of time. To create a document template, first you will need to create your document following the process as outlined in video part 2, Create a New Document. Then using the action button on the main documents listing, select Save as Document Template. This will open the Save as Document Template drawer, which will allow you to provide this template with a name that you can reference it by. A template can also be created from any other document that you've previously created using this same menu option. Once your template has been created, you will find it listed under the Document Templates area of the system. From here, the action functions available to you include editing the content of your document template within the document wizard, assisting you to keep your templates current and in line with any business or industry changes. Renaming your template to ensure it's easily searchable and relevant for its intended purpose within your business. And most importantly, creating a new document from your template, which is where your time savings begin. Creating a document from a document template will create a brand new document using all of the information that you've saved in your document template, allowing you to store the new document in any selected or new job folder, and opening it up in the document wizard to customize this new document. Continue to complete your new document through each status as demonstrated in video part 7, Document Statuses. Document templates exist in a status equivalent to draft, where they will always be kept up to date with any version changes released into the system. You will be able to see if there has been a version change made to a document, indicated by the icon next to the document name. Clicking this icon will open the Upgrade Notes drawer for you to understand what changes have been made to the document. eDocs provides you with the ability to save up to 20 document templates on your account. Should a document template no longer be relevant, you can choose to delete this from your document templates list, leaving room for any new templates you might like to create. Deleting a template does not trigger any deletions on documents that have been created from that template. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch the other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.